Welcome to our comparison video, where we dive deep into two powerful graphics cards: the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4060 and the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT. In the world of gaming, choosing the right graphics card can significantly impact your experience. And today we will explore how these two cards stack up against each other. The MSI RTX 4060, with its 8GB of GDDR6 memory and extreme clock speeds, promises efficient performance for gamers. On the other hand, the PowerColor RX 7800 XT boasts a whopping 16GB of GDDR6 memory and superior performance metrics. We will discuss their specifications, performance in gaming scenarios, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. So, let's get started. When it comes to performance, the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT outshines the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4060. The RX 7800 XT features a game clock of 2169 MHz and a boost clock of 2475 MHz, which allows it to handle demanding games at higher settings. In contrast, the RTX 4060, while still capable, operates at a maximum boost clock of 2505 MHz, but has less overall power due to its lower memory capacity. Gamers looking for high frame rates and better performance in graphically intensive games will likely prefer the RX 7800 XT. Memory capacity is another crucial factor for gamers. The MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4060 comes with 8GB of GDDR6 memory, which is sufficient for many gaming scenarios. However, the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT boasts a significant advantage with its 16GB of GDDR6 memory. This larger memory capacity allows the RX 7800 XT to handle more demanding applications and higher resolutions, making it a better choice for future-proofing your gaming setup. Finally, let's discuss pricing. The MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4060 is priced at $334, making it an affordable option for gamers looking for solid performance without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT comes with a higher price tag of $499. While it offers superior performance and memory, the price difference is significant. Gamers must weigh their budget against the performance benefits when making their decision. In conclusion, both the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4060 and the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT have their strengths and weaknesses. The RTX 4060 is a great choice for budget-conscious gamers, while the RX 7800 XT offers superior performance and memory for those willing to invest more. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your gaming needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.